Surprise workshop with Mary Koval's Quilt Shop in Bedford, Pennsylvania. This is Irish Courthouse. It looks like an Irish chain, but it's built like a courthouse steps log cabin, and we've had a lot of fun with the scraps today. The gals knew nothing about what they were making today, so we've been cutting and sewing and recutting and re-sewing and coming up with these gorgeous blocks. Soon to be a digital pattern. Have you had a good day today, everybody?